Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Rider Ramblings. It's a lovely morning, it is, and today is the day that the farmers start blockading Paris. So from 2 o'clock this afternoon, they're blocking all the main auto routes, motorways into into Paris, and everybody's panicking. Hopefully, as I say, hopefully it'll be not as bad as it could be, but we will see. We will see. I'm actually going quite close to the A4. In fact, you can actually see it from where I go. And it's if it's blocked, then I think a few people might be using the road that I want to be on. We will see. We will see. Also, this is probably the last time I do this particular route. I might restart in May or June. But this contract finishes in theory today, although in practice there might be one more. We will see. I haven't been informed of that yet. Anyhow, I'm going to have to retire this helmet, which has the camera attached. As I think I mentioned, the after 7.5 years, the sun visor, where it attaches on the right hand side, which is the not the important side, has broken, and it's still working. I've got the sun visor down at the moment. It's still working, but it's only, I think, a matter of time before it gives up the ghost. Anyhow, discussing the black bike and the coolant leak. I've actually done nothing since last week, for the simple reason that I've damaged my hand and my hip, and I think part of that is due to the work I did with the service. It's so I've booked provisionally Tuesday to do the leak between the two cylinders. I shall try and do it Tuesday, see if I can get my hands in there without too much difficulty, and try that. One of the things I've been doing to alleviate the pain is I bought a TENS machine, T-E-N-S, TENS machine. There's TENS 1 and TENS 2 are the two different types. I got a TENS 1 after a bit of research. I did think about getting one that does both, but the one I got is called a Perfect TENS. Oh dear, yes, I know, it's a terrible blooming pun, but I think it's a very good name. one of the reasons I bought it was that it has a number of presets. It has 2 channels, and it's very easy to use, and it seems that there are parts available for it, and also it's from an English company, although it's probably made in China or Taiwan or somewhere. It is actually from an English company, and the instructions are amazing. It's designed for people like me who have little or no knowledge of physioterrorism and need to have something to do this. And I took the instructions, which are in about 8 or 9 different languages, to my physiotherapist, because he uses TENS machine for me when I go and visit him. And asked him what I needed to do and this type of thing. He was actually quite impressed with ease of use and other such things. Hello, Mr. Magpie, that's the wrong place to sit. And he looked at the various presets that there were, and he suggested 3 out of the 8 which would be suitable for me, and I've been using it. And I must admit, this is pretty fantastic. I'm seriously impressed. If you have arthritic pain, muscle pain, joint pain, back pain, headache pain, period pain, whatever, I would strongly recommend investing in one of these. I would. Now, it seems to work on, I think, this is from my understanding of the system, sort of 3 different things. The first one is that what it does is it puts electrical pulses into the muscles, and the idea is to block the pain pathways to your brain. So that's the first thing it does. Bit like when you rub your muscles or you rub your joints or something like that, when you've hurt yourself, the pain tends to be alleviated. Well, that's what it does. So that's the first thing that it does. It blocks the pain pathways to your brain. The second thing it does is it stimulates the muscle, or muscles, because it's usually more than one, on either side of the joint. So makes the muscles much stronger. I think the guy behind me wants to marry me. So it makes the muscles much stronger, which helps with the pain, and helps with the joints and helps make the joints better. And of course, in stimulating the muscles, what it also does is it releases endorphins, which of course are the body's own painkillers, and therefore makes the pain even less. And so you have about, after using it, I get anything up to about 6 or 7 hours when there's no pain, or very little pain. And after about, say, 4 or 5 uses, the muscles have started to build up and so on, and the can't see and can't get past this bus. He's now on a bus lane. So yes, it tends to start building up the muscles, so consequently it reduces the pain later. So I've been using this on knees and hips and so on, and it's been very effective. I will recommend it to anybody who has joint pain. Well done, Camionnette Blanche. So yes, if you have joint or muscle pain, for whatever reason, I would strongly recommend looking at one of these. As I say, the instructions are excellent. It comes with a quite a thick booklet in a number of different languages, which sort of explain all sorts of things. I think people are already avoiding the A4 and using this road because it's busier than normal. And the instructions are excellent because it gives you, as I say, all the different presets. I would recommend going to a physiotherapist or whatever, if you are seeing one, with the booklet and ask which is best for you, because as I say, there are 8 different ones, and my physiotherapist actually suggested different 3 of them as being suitable for me. Come on, wake up! All on their phones again. Yes, because some are better than others. They are. These gloves, which are my new gloves, are getting better. They are. I've got a little bit more feeling, bedding them in a little bit more on that. Anyhow, so yes, get a TENS machine. The company I think is called TENS Care, and the machine I've got is called the Perfect TENS. As I say, it might not be suitable for everybody. It just depends on you. You need to do your own research. On a different note, this bike is going in for steering head bearings. Don't know if you can see, but it's done 26,779 kilometers, and the steering head bearings are shot. I mean, it's all right, but to ride, but they're going clack clack and this type of thing. When you're not, when you waggle the handlebars and so on. I'm a little bit concerned about what they did when they changed the tyres, because something doesn't quite feel right, and I don't think it's the tyres themselves. I think they might not have put the forks on straight. There is a trick to putting these forks on straight, and I've got a sneaking suspicion that might not have happened, which is not a big problem because, as I say, on Thursday I'm getting the steering head bearings replaced with roller bearings rather than ball bearings, so hopefully the roller bearings will last more than about 18,000 miles, 27,000 kilometres. Well, this looks like it's going to be a nice mess this afternoon. When everybody starts coming off the A4, there's a junction just at these lights ahead, and there was a junction behind as well. So the chappie I'm taking it to, I'll mention it to it. At the same time, I've got a set of bar risers, and I'm getting the bar risers put on. Have we got a prang, or is it just a broken car? Oh, it's a prang, I think. The windscreen's broken. So, yeah. So I'm getting bar risers put on at the same time, just 1-inch ones. So I'm hopefully it's going to be a little. I mean, this bike is exceptionally comfortable, and I can sit on it for long periods of time. But I think an extra 1 inch on the bars upwards will make it perfect. So we will see. Anyhow, that's it for today. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.